Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to connect SD card to laptop. Firstly, locate the open slot on the bottom of your SD adapter and insert your micro SD card securely inside the adapter. Check for a wire lock switch on the adapter, unlocked and locked, and ensure you are using the correct adapter. Now find the SD card slot on your computer and gently insert the adapter with the micro SD card inside. If your computer doesn't have an SD slot, use a USB SD card reader. If the reader has micro SD slot, insert the micro SD directly. Open the File Explorer to view your storage devices. Access and manage files as needed, then safely eject the SD card before removing it to avoid corruption. You can also back up important data to prevent data loss. Always check compatibility before using an adapter and keep your adapter and card clean for better performance. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.